Now, these are just a few of the new Copilot enhancements designed to improve productivity. As you can see right here, we're making Copilot more interactive, more personalized, and more proactive. And all the apps your employees use every single day to help drive user adoption. But productivity is not just a personal activity. It's a team sport. So I am excited to invite one of my favorite people to collaborate with on stage, Jeff Teeper. Woo! Hello. All right. All right. Thank you for joining me, Jeff.
It's great to be here.
It's great to be here. All right, great. Well, this is really good timing because the Boulder Innovations account team wants to meet about our product strategy before we meet with the customer. Yep. So I think we should get into a meeting.
Yeah, well, fortunately, we've got Copilot. We're late, but Copilot's going to catch us up to the meeting. And we're going to go ahead and ask it to recap everything that's shown so far. And it's not just going to cover the conversation and the chat, but we're using the new latest multimodal model to capture what's shared in the meeting as well on the screen, and even have citations for the conversation slide by slide. And so you can see the slides that were presented before you and I showed up.